Today we'll be going over how to make profits with resale rights. We'll be going over many different things, so make sure that you take notes and focus as much as possible because this is a lot of information to take in at once. Let's first take a look at what resale rights are. The true definition of resale rights is the reselling of a product that is already created and purchased. So when you buy resale rights to a product, you are given the right to sell the product and receive 100% of the profits. The best part, of course, about purchasing a product with resale rights is that you can receive a product where basically all of the dirty work has already been done for you, which leaves you more time to market the product and, of course, make profits. Many of the resale rights products that you will sell will not be able to be edited or altered, and absolutely no resale rights can be sold with the product after you've purchased the resale rights product. That is, of course, unless the resale rights license permits you to do otherwise. A lot of the times, most resale rights products will be sold to customers for their own personal use and should be specifically stated in their license that you receive with the product. And of course, it will also state whether or not you are able to resell the product to others. Resale rights can, of course, equal major profits. The best and most important way to make the profits that you're looking for is by determining your price of your resale rights product. A common reseller rights myth is that selling your resale rights product at an extremely low price is the way to go. This is not so in all cases, however. Sometimes selling your reseller products for a low price can be a very counterproductive strategy, and sometimes only degrades the value that you believe your resale rights product is worth. And of course, what others perceive as what your product is worth, as well as the value of the product. You want to make sure that you sell your resale rights products for what they are truly worth. Check around to see what others are charging and base your price somewhere around theirs. That is, if the product meets the quality of your product. Example of resale rights products. Ebooks are one of the #1 products to buy or sell with resale rights. Reports are also very popular amongst resale rights buyers and creators. Also find them very convenient because they are not as lengthy as an ebook. Video courses are also very popular because a lot of people nowadays prefer to learn a task or a skill through a video rather than reading text in a book or report. Products that you can offer with resale rights are unlimited, and you can gain ideas from other marketers who sell similar products to find out other products you can buy or create with resale rights. Pretty much you name it and there is a product available with resale rights. You also want to make sure that you're setting out the perfect plan to sell your resale rights products. Of course, marketing will play a big role in the success of your resale rights products. Simply put, poor marketing strategies for the resale rights product will only lead to less profits soaring your way and defeats the whole purpose of making a steady income through the sale of resale rights products. You also need to consider your back-end sales. You want to make sure that you are incorporating back-end sales with every resale rights products that you sell. This is a very important strategy and a great way to earn extra profits even after the upfront sale of the product. You want to make sure that you are creating viral products. Make sure that you choose a resale rights product that is high in demand and in a profitable niche. Do a little bit of research to find out what products and niches are popular amongst viewers. Read reviews and feedback on every product that you intend on purchasing. The more popular your resale rights product is, the more positive feedback you find in the product, and the more you have peace of mind that you've chosen a profitable and high in demand product that you will see profits come out of. And of course, like I mentioned before, you want to make sure that you are pricing resale rights products for profit. You want to keep in mind that this is your business, and ultimately you want profits that will keep you in business, but at the same time doesn't undercut other resale marketers trying to sell the same or similar products. There are a few things that you need to keep in mind when you are trying to make profits with resale rights or with any business that you create. You want to make sure that you stay focused. This is the #1 key to success in any type of business, and especially with a business buying and selling or even creating resale rights products. There are a lot of things to learn about selling reseller rights products. So you want to make sure that you remain focused throughout the entire course. You also want to make sure that you are giving 100%. With anything, giving only 50% will only give you 50% of the results that you want to see coming out. This is no different with resale rights products. So make sure that you put in the effort and you will see the results, of course, that you have worked so hard for. You also want to make sure that you take notes and research as much as possible. You can never do enough research, and taking notes can dramatically help you in remembering key things that you need to remember to ensure the success that you desire. So with all that in mind, let's move on to the first portion of the video course, making the most out of profits with resale rights and products. So I will see you guys in the next video.